cute. Know that? Everybody do some tricks. And where? Show him some tricks. Do a handstand. That'll show him. What you doing? Thomas. Ah! Oh, shoot.
Ow. Thomas!
He's throwing us with whip balls. Stop it.
Hey, you can't film me while I'm like this.
Sure you can.
No, you can't.
You
want me to film
you?
Hey Thomas, watch something.
No, please have mercy. I got it.
Stop
See?
filming.
This is what he's throwing us at, and it's wet. Okay? You missed. Missed again. I got it. Yes, that's right. Run away.
Where's my blanket?
Right here.
Oh, you're going to.
Thomas, I don't want to get wet, okay? I'm not even filming, Thomas. I'm not even filming.
You are?
No,
Where's my blanket then, huh?
I don't know.